I was gonna go to bed, but something's been itching at the back of my head recently, and I just want to share this thought. If you want to get the leverage that you desire, you need to go all in on being a developer. What does it mean to be a developer in the age of AI right now? This is getting Claude in your terminal, not using any wrappers, not using any adulteration of where the agentic sauce lives. And right now, that is Opus 4.7 in your terminal. This is owning your own stack where it makes sense. This is having your own virtual private server, having that scaled up to the appropriate amount, having these workflows that you do day to day, whether that be content posting on YouTube, whether that be running meta ads, whether that be running instantly campaigns, whether that be generating any kind of AI media. Everything that I've just listed has API endpoints. They have MCP servers. Claude is the new UI. The terminal is the new UI. If you want to get the leverage that you say you want, all that leverage exists when you give as much of the power and the context and the memory and your clear thinking to your Claude agent right now. I've already touched on this on a few of my other videos, but the main focus of this video is that the real winners of this new movement in technology are developers. I don't care what part of an organization you're in, if you're not a founder. If you want the leverage, you need to get into the code. And when I say into the code, it's not actually typing code. It's how data moves, what webhooks are, post requests, the simple passage of data, developing locally, getting familiar with GitHub, getting familiar with stop hooks, reading documentation, being able to make workflows with your voice, being able to lead a team of agents, being able to develop software in a way at which agents can read it, where you can distribute that tech, that software, the workflows, share that with your team, share that as possibly a product. I've just had this on my mind recently, and I think a lot of guys say they want the leverage. They say they want to unlock this crazy, almost godlike feeling skill, but they want to take shortcuts. They want to use Claude in the GUI, in the UI. They want to use those apps. They want to use Codex app. Like you can get away with these things, but if you want to level up, this is the way. And if you want more help with that, join the free school community below. We have Claude 101 in there. We have the tech stack module in there. We have offer, outreach, and if you want more one-on-one support or one-to-many support, I should say, we have a $97 a month tier. You can join Iron Operators, unlock the vault, get more sauce. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and you can watch one of these videos next. I just needed to get this off my chest. I'm going to go to bed now, but I think you should become developer first. TLDR. You guys have a good one.